Well, hey you guys, welcome back to another video with Diane the Canning Nana. So this is dinner. This is the pork chili verde from the last video, and I'm going to show you what I do with it. So, sorry, I'm kind of losing my voice. So this is how it came out. Tastes amazing. So what I'm going to do is I have a sope here. Let me show you what these look like in case you've never had one. Okay, so this is what I use right here, and they just come in a little package like this, 10 count for about $3. And I just kind of fry this in oil, just very, very little oil, just until it's soft. And then I'm going to fill this with my mixture. Let's see if I can get it on here. These are so good for whatever that you want to put on these. Even just green sauce and cheese sometime I put on them. Really good. And then I'm going to make a burrito as well. Get a spoon so I can put some sauce on here. Let's see. I guess I can get some on there. And I'm just going to put this in my air fryer. I'm not going to put anything on it except for some cilantro when it comes out. I'm just going to put it in my air fryer, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All you're doing is heating this up because it's already cooked. Both are already cooked, so you're just heating it up. So while that is cooking, we're going to make a burrito. And I've got a heated tortilla. This is my favorite. Love to make green chili verde burritos. So I'm going to fill this and then wrap it. Usually I put some rice in here. I don't have any Spanish rice. I only have white rice. Excuse me. But really, the chili verde and the sauce is all you need. Okay. So let me show you how tender this is. Look at that. It just breaks. Fork tender, you guys. So, so good. Okay, so I have my little burrito here. These are just regular sized tortillas. You guys can see by the size of my hand. They're the little soft count tortillas, store-bought. I did not make these. So easily just rolled. Didn't put any cheese or anything in it. There's just the chili verde in there. So we're gonna wait for the sopa to get ready. It should be ready. Just a couple minutes. I'll take that out and show you what that looks like. Okay, got it out. Put a little bit of cilantro on there, and there you go. So my husband had his with just a bowl of chili verde, and that's it, with corn tortillas. So didn't think I really needed to show that. It's just a bowl of the chili verde. But here you have two things to do with this, and they're both really good. So let me know if you guys try this and what you think. And don't forget to comment the word of the day on the first video to be entered to win some gifts that I'm giving away. Thanks for watching, you guys. I will see you soon.